Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Digital Product Playbook. We are going to unpack a completely counterintuitive strategy, how giving things away for free is actually the ultimate secret to generating paid online sales right now. If you are looking for a smarter, infinitely scalable way to earn money online, well, you are definitely in the right place. Let's get into it. So here's our agenda for today. 1. The digital product advantage. 2. Top products to sell. 3. The power of freebies. 4. Building your sales funnel. And 5. Avoiding the overgive trap.
All right, Section 1. The digital product advantage. Infinite scale, zero overhead. Let's start with why digital products are absolutely dominating the creator economy right now. It all comes down to this magic number, 0. That's zero overhead, zero manufacturing, and literally zero shipping costs. You build a digital product exactly once, and you can sell it infinitely with nearly pure profit margins. I mean, no warehouses, no printing labels, just a digital asset that keeps earning for you while you sleep. It's a real game changer. Moving on to Section 2, top products to sell, beginner-friendly categories.
So if you're just starting out, your main goal is to eliminate the blank page problem for your buyers. People want shortcuts, right? So offer them ready-to-use frameworks. We're talking ebooks and guides, Canva templates, printables like daily planners or habit trackers, and AI prompt packs. Buyers absolutely love these because you're essentially packaging a massive shortcut that helps them get results way faster without the steep learning curve.
And this completely illustrates the entire ecosystem. Your goal here isn't just to make a product, it's to engineer a really natural upgrade path. So, for example, offering a single free daily planner page, that naturally creates a desire for your full $47 Life Planner bundle. Or giving away one free Canva post template seamlessly leads into selling a complete 30-day social media kit. Same goes for a quick start checklist leading into a full video masterclass.
Which brings us to Section 3, the power of freebies, the psychology of the sale.
Because here's the dramatic pivot of our whole playbook. Having a great digital product is completely useless if you don't understand the psychology of getting people to actually hit that buy button. I mean, think about it. How do you sell to a total stranger? If someone just scrolled past your brand on Pinterest or Instagram, how do you instantly bridge that massive trust gap and convince them that your product is worth their hard-earned money? Well, you bridge that gap with a lead magnet. Think of a lead magnet as a strategic, free digital resource used to build trust and basically open the door to a paid relationship. It acts exactly like an in-store demo does for a physical product. It removes all that friction and replaces the heavy demand of buy this with a super low stakes, hey, try this. Now, the behavioral psychology behind this is just fascinating. Decades of research by experts like Robert Cialdini point to the reciprocity principle. This basically shows that when we receive genuine value, human nature literally compels us to reciprocate. So when someone uses your free resource and gets a quick result, they immediately feel aligned with you, and they naturally want to see what else you have to offer.
But hey, there is a really crucial distinction here between a random giveaway and a strategic freebie. A random giveaway, like say a free iPad, that just gets you random emails from freebie seekers who don't actually care about your niche. But a strategic freebie, one that's built backwards from your paid product, that attracts a highly targeted, self-selected audience that is actually ready to buy.
All right, Section 4, building your sales funnel, the journey to profit.
Understanding the psychology is awesome, but let's map out the tactical, step-by-step execution to turn that free download into cold, hard revenue. The whole journey relies on a 5-step automated flow. First is discovery, where they find you. Then the opt-in, where they give you their email. Next is the freebie delivery. Then you nurture them with follow-up emails, and finally, present the paid offer. When these steps connect intentionally, the transition from stranger to paying customer feels totally natural. But to make that journey actually work, your freebie must deliver a quick win. It needs to provide one specific, highly achievable result, like helping them organize just one single day with a sample planner page. You want them to instantly think, wow, if the free stuff is this good, the paid stuff must be absolutely incredible. Now, to really supercharge this funnel, you're going to want to deploy a few specific tactics. First up, present an immediate one-time offer, or OTO, right on the thank you page after they opt in. Make it an accessible, say, $7 to $47 product because right then, their momentum is literally at its peak.
After that, make sure to segment your audience based on what they downloaded. Use graduated calls to action and always ask for feedback so you can uncover exactly what objections are holding them back. Which brings us to Section 5, avoiding the overgive trap, the most common funnel mistake.
Before you rush off to build your digital empire, we really need to talk about the most fatal and honestly the most expensive mistake that well-intentioned creators make. It's called the don't overgive rule. Basically, if your freebie is too complete and solves every single problem your customer has, your conversion path just collapses. You've left them absolutely no reason to buy the paid version because, well, you've essentially given away the whole shebang.
So here's the perfect formula to avoid that trap. Your freebie should focus on the what and the why. It solves a very narrow problem just to open the door. Meanwhile, your paid product is the how, the full step-by-step roadmap that walks them through the entire process. Oh, and remember that polish and design actually signal premium value. Your free resource is their first taste of your brand's quality, so make sure it looks top-notch. This really anchors everything we've talked about today with a crucial mindset shift. A freebie is not generosity, it's strategy. Every single thing you give away must be a deliberate, highly calculated step toward demonstrating your expertise and ultimately earning that sale. So take a look at your own business goals and ask yourself this final question. What specific quick win will you give away today to earn your next sale tomorrow? Find that one narrow problem you can solve instantly and start building that bridge. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer to unlock the true power of the digital product ecosystem. Get out there and start creating.